Hello everyone, welcome back to 7th grade, lesson 10 Y-Lock. So for number 1, what is the area of the kitchen floor, the width of which is 2.3 meters and the length is 3.1 meters? So if you draw a square, so this is the kitchen floor, and the width is 2.3 meters, and the length is 3.1, and we need to find the area. So we just multiply these two together. So 2.3 times 3.1. 3 times 1 is 3, 2 times 1 is 2, 3 times 3 is 9, and 2 times 3 is 6. So if you add it all up, you get 3 plus 0 is 3. 2 plus 9 is 11, transfer the 1, and 6 plus 1 is 7. And since there's 2 decimal places in total, we move 2 decimal places to the left, and it'll be 7.13, so the answer will be C. Number 2, which expressions is equivalent to the expression below? X plus 1.3 times 0.2. So since these two are in parentheses, we need to add them first. But since we can't add them, we could just distribute 0.2 to both of them instead. So 0.2 times x is 0.2x plus 1.3 times 0.2 will be 2.6. So it'll be 0.26, because 1.3 times 0.2 is 6 and 2, 26. But since there's 2 decimal points in total, we move 2 times to the left to get 0.26. So the answer will be B. Alright, number 3. What is the area of the screen of a mobile phone, the width of which is 4.2 centimeters and the length 7.6 centimeters? So same thing, we just multiply it together to find the area. 2 times 6 is 12, transfer the 1. 6 times 4 is 24, plus 1 is 25. 2 times 7 is 14, transfer the 1. 4 times 7 is 28, plus 1 is 29. So if we add it all together, we get 2913. And 2 decimal places in total, so it'll be 31.92. Alright, number 4. John bought 1.6 kilograms of sugar priced at $2.4 per kilograms. How much did John pay for his purchase? So just do 1.6 times 2.4. 6 times 4 is 24. Transfer to 2. 1 times 4 is 4, plus 2 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. Transfer the 1. 1 times 2 is 2, plus 1 is 3. Add all up. 4, 8, 3, and 2 decimal places, so it's 3.84. So the answer will be B. Number 5, Anna rides her bicycle at a constant speed of 4.2 miles per hour. How much miles will she pass in 2.5 hours? Same thing, just multiply 2.5 times 4.2. 2 times 5 is 10, 0, transfer the 1. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. 4 times 5 is 20, transfer the 2. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 2 is 10. So this will be 1050, 2 decimal places, so it's 10.5. D. Mila is 5.2 yards high. What is the best estimate of the height of Mila's house in meters? So if 1 yard equals 0.9 meters, we could just multiply 5.2 times 0.9. 2 times 8 is 18, transfer the 1. 9 times 5 is 45, plus 1 is 46, and 2 decimal places, so it'll be 4.68. But it says what's the best estimate, so we round to get 4.7. So the answer is B. Number 7, the final one. The length of a pencil is 7.5 inches. What is the best estimate of the length in centimeters? No, 1 inch equals 2.5 centimeters. So 7.5 times 2.5. So 5 times 5 is 25. Put the 2 up there. Or should this is 7. 7 times 5 is 35, plus 2 is 37. 5 times 2 is 10. Transfer the 1. 7 times 2 is 14, plus 1 is 15. So it'll be 1875. And 2 decimal places to the left, so it's 18.75. So the answer is C. Now we're moving on to the next section, which is find the value of x. This will be pretty simple. So we need to isolate x. So we need to subtract 4x from both sides to get negative 2x equals negative 18, and we divide by negative 2 to get x equals 9. So we're just isolating the x after combining the x's together, or like terms together on both sides. So over here we could subtract 6x from both sides and subtract 15 from both sides to get 3x equals 3, and 3 divided by 3 equals 1, so x equals 1. X plus 15 equals 40, we just subtract 15 on both sides to get x equals 25. Alright, number 4, x squared minus 15 equals 10. Add 15 to get x squared equals 25, and use square root on both sides to get x equals 5. Alright, number 5, x minus 16 equals 2x plus 14. So subtract 14 and subtract x to get x equals minus 30, or negative 30. Second to, never mind, we still have 4 more questions. So it's number 6, 6x equals 36, divided by 6 to get x equals 6. 7x plus 8 equals 50, subtract 8 to get 7x equals 42 to get x equals 6. And second to last question, 9x plus 10 equals 91, subtract 10 to get 9x equals 81 to get x equals 9. Final question, 10x minus 50 equals 100, subtract 50 from both sides, minus 50 to get 10x equals 50, and 10x, we divide 10 on each side to get x equals 5. So yeah, that's it for today's lesson, and see you guys next time. Bye.